We have next inequality. To solve it, we have to find all possible values of t for which this inequality is true. Let me copy this example first. I have 2 times 3t plus 3 over 3 is less than 4t minus 3 over 2 plus t over 6. Because I have fractions, I have to multiply both sides by the common denominator, 6 times 6, right and left sides. So 3 and 6 will cancel, and I have 2 times 2 will be 4 times 3t plus 3 in parentheses is less than, and now I have to multiply both fractions by 6. So I have 4t minus 3 over 2 times 6 plus t over 6 times 6. 6 and 6 will cancel. 2 and 6 will be 3. So now on the left side, I have to use distributive law and multiply 4 by whatever is in parentheses. So I have 4 times 3t will be 12t. 4 times 3 will be 12 is less than 3 times 4t will be 12t. Negative 3 times 3 will be negative 9 plus t. Now I have to collect all terms with t on the one side. So it will be 12t minus 12t minus t is less than negative 9 minus 12. Negative 12t and 12t will cancel, and I have negative t is less than negative 9 minus 12 is negative 21. To reduce negative 1, I will divide both sides by negative 1. When we divide by negative number, we have to change the direction of inequality. So we have t is greater than 21. So we have to draw number line t. You have 0, 1. I have to go to 21 because I have sign greater than. It means 21 is not included, and it's going to positive infinity. So our solution is from 21 to positive infinity. I have to choose one number from this interval. For example, t is equals 22. First, I have to copy this inequality. So I have 2 times 3t plus 3 over 3 is less than 4t minus 3 over 2 plus t over 6. Now I have to replace t by 22. So I have 2 times, in parentheses, 3 times 22 plus 3 over 3 is less than 4 times 22 minus 3 over 2 plus 22 over 6. To reduce these fractions, I will multiply both sides by common denominator 6. So 3 and 6 will reduce, will be 2. And we have 2 times 2 will be 4. In parentheses, I have 3 times 22 is 66 plus 3 is less than, first I have to multiply every fraction by 6. So I have 6 times. And in numerator, I have 4 times 22 will be 88 minus 3 over 2 plus 6 times 22 over 6. 6 and 6 will cancel. 2 and 6 will be 3. So now I have 4 times 66 plus 3 is 69 is less than 3 times 88 minus 3 is 85 plus 22. 4 times 69 is 276 is less than 3 times 85 is 255 plus 22. 276 is less than 255 plus 22, it will be 277. As we can see, the left side is less than the right. It means our inequality is true, so our solution is correct.